Are you having a hard time making money online? You might be doing a lot of money making methods, but for some reason, none of them are working out the way that they're supposed to work out for you. Now, we're going to teach you how you can make $100 to $300 a day because we know that that's the dream of most people, especially for beginners. Aside from the $100 to $300 earlier, we're going to teach you how you can make an extra $500 to $1,000 with absolutely no work, just passive income that's not going to require you any skills or experience or even cash to start. Get ready for today's method because we don't think you're ready for this. What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the new Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money making videos daily, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit the notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up, and you'll be the first one to know and try it out. The first website that we're going to be talking about is called Redbubble.com. Now, don't worry because this method is so much more simpler than you think it is, and you're actually going to be surprised at how easy today's method is going to be. Now, Redbubble is basically a website that allows you to sell different designs like the ones that you're seeing right now. Now, once you sell designs on this website, it's going to help you automatically print out your designs through clothing, stickers, phone cases, wall art accessories, stationery, and so on and so forth. The great thing about today's method is that, as we've mentioned earlier, you don't need any skills whatsoever. You won't even be creating any of your own designs, which means you'll literally be doing no work at all. Now let's quickly take a look at some examples of stickers with designs right here. As you can see, people are selling their sticker designs here for $1, and if you look at the phone case designs, people are able to sell at about $30 per phone case too, which is insane. There's just a ton of categories on Redbubble where you can sell different things and just keep earning and earning money. First, you want to sign up, and to do that, just click on the sign up button right here, then make sure that you select to sign up as an artist since we're here to sell, then fill up all the details accordingly, and boom, you should find yourself in your Redbubble account. As easy as that. Now, once you're in your account, we want you to click on my account right here and then look for the button that says sell your art and click on that. Then you're going to be brought right here to the dashboard of your Redbubble account. Now, there are some things that you can actually do as an absolute beginner. First thing that you can do is that you can create products. You upload your art and choose products. Second thing that you can do is to set up your own shop. You can customize your shop so it's more memorable and engaging. And third thing, you can get paid. Once you confirm your account and payment details, you're basically ready to open your shop and immediately start selling. You can choose to get paid through crypto, bank transfer, and even PayPal, so there's no problem with the payment methods here because whatever works for you, Redbubble will accommodate to you. Now, focus on create products, which was the first thing we talked about. Then proceed to click on add designs, and then that's going to take you to this page where you can actually add your new work. If you guys want to know how you can make even more money online, over $1,000 every single day, then make sure you check our description box down below because we have a pleasant surprise there that I know you guys are going to absolutely love. So make sure you check out our description box down below for that surprise. Also, let me know what payment method you would prefer, PayPal, Payoneer, whatever that may be. Let me know in the comments down below because I'd love to know and read through them, and maybe I can even respond to some. But for now, let's get back into the video. From there, you can either choose to upload new work or copy an existing work. Now, since we're on a brand new account, we're obviously going to choose to upload a new work. So you can basically just click this button right here to upload a new design. And as you can see, it's uploading and it's there, and that's the design. This is just a design for our example. Now, you might be wondering how in the world are we going to create our own design? We don't have the skills or even the creativity. Well, say less because we're now moving on to the part that's going to get those designs going for you, and you're not even going to lift a finger to do so. Now, we want you to go on snappa.com, and basically on this website, you can have graphic designs made for you in a snap. It's very simple and easy, and this website also has a lot of ready-made templates for you that you can choose from, and this website is also 100% free to use. You just need to click on Get Started for free, then proceed to fill in the sign-up details being asked. You have your name, your email address, and password. Do the CAPTCHA and hit on Get Started free. Now, once you're inside your account, you're going to finally be able to create different designs in a snap of a finger. Literally, you can choose to make social media templates, posts, and all that, but then you realize that none of the ready-made templates here are made for what we need on Redbubble, and this is the part that you must pay super close attention to. Now, right here under custom graphic size, we want you to input 2200 as the width and 2200 as the height as well, and then click on create, and then boom, that's going to take you to this dashboard where you can finally create your own design. You can change the background, you can add effects, some texts, graphics, and even shapes. There are also so many things on here that makes things 100 times more simpler for you. So the first thing that you can do is click on graphics, and then you can basically choose anything and adjust the icon to your liking. So that's what we have here now. Then you can add a text by clicking text. Choose to add a heading, and then you can just type whatever you want. Like, for example, this one we can do human's best friend or whatever you like. Anyway, once you've completed your design, you can just click on this button right here to download the design straight into the device that you're using. Then you can finally upload that on Redbubble. Before submitting though, you're going to need to fill up some basic information about the design that you've created. So you're going to create a title, then add some tags, and then a description. And what you're seeing right now is just an example. If you scroll down, you're going to get a preview of your design on different products like clothing, stickers, phone cases, even pillows, mugs, literally anything and everything, and people will for sure love this very much. Anyway, once you're satisfied with the preview, just scroll down below. Then you're going to have to choose the media, and you can only select up to 2. So choose design and illustration and digital art. Then scroll down some more, and then you'll see the default product in your shop option. Make sure that it's in optimized recommended. That's the option it's supposed to be in. And then make sure that it is open to public, or else it won't be seen. Then make sure that you select no on the is this mature content setting, and once that's all complete, agree to the terms and conditions, and boom, save your work by clicking on this button right here. They'll say congratulations, you're almost ready to sell as soon as they save your work. Then you're just to complete the payment details like so, and this is a very important step or else people won't be able to purchase from you. And that's basically it for the Redbubble instructions. Before we finish up, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. And also let us know in the comments down below what videos you'd like to see next so we can note them down and maybe do it for our next video. Now let's continue. Now we're going to show you how you can maximize your income and how you can get a lot of people to buy your product. So you can make up to $1,000 bonus. Now go on parlor.com, and basically this website works just like Facebook, but obviously not a lot of people know about this website, so there is no competition here whatsoever. So you can go on here, target the animal lovers for your design, and expect a great number of people wanting to come and buy your designs on absolutely anything. So to join this website, just click on create a new account, click on I agree, then fill up on all the details being asked of you. Then once you've completed that, this is how your dashboard is going to look like. Very similar to Facebook, where you can basically create posts. Now you can look up dog, then there are so many trending dog hashtags on here, and that's what we're going to use to be able to lure in customers. So just create a post on Parlor, insert your link with the hashtag dogs or dog, and do as much posts as you can with as much hashtags possible, and before you know it, your sales is going to skyrocket like you've never seen before. And that is everything for today's method. If there's nothing else, then thank you guys so much for watching today's video. We finally hit 60,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for all of your support. And our next goal is 70,000, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you missed anything at all. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.